Homeowners, stop wasting time and effort cleaning when this Ryobi powered scrubber can do all the hard work for you. This handy tool makes scrubbing around the house effortless, whether it's your kitchen, your bathroom, you're cleaning your garden furniture, and it's perfect for when you're cleaning your car and need to get that tough dirt and grime off your wheels. Its large brush cuts through dirt effortlessly, saving you the strain of scrubbing by hand. From grease to mould to oven build-up, this scrubber will clear it all. It's incredibly lightweight, which means it's ideal for longer cleaning sessions, and its compact size means you can get into tight spaces without any awkwardness. Now, it's an electric tool, but it's not afraid to get wet. It's actually fully waterproof. Just remember to make sure the housing around the battery is properly closed. Now, if you've already got Ryobi tools, then this is a no-brainer because it's part of their One Plus ecosystem. That means it uses the same battery you use for your combi drill, your grass trimmer, and over 200 other Ryobi One Plus tools. So there's no need to buy into another ecosystem. Everything you want to do, you can do with Ryobi One Plus. And that's not all, because if you buy this from ITS today, you're going to get this electric screwdriver for free. That's a powered scrubber, electric screwdriver, battery and charger all in one. There's never been a better time to buy Ryobi. This is Ryobi's power scrubber and it's available right now at its.co.uk.